Master Your Money with Financial Planning 101 by Michelle Kagan, a complete guide to financial freedom. Summary: are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial success? Whether you're just starting your career or trying to navigate the tricky waters of managing money, Financial Planning 101 by Michelle Kagan is the perfect resource to guide you toward financial freedom. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the core concepts of Financial Planning 101 and how they can help you build a secure financial future. Written by personal finance expert Michelle Kagan, this book isn't just another finance guide, it's a comprehensive, easy-to-follow blueprint designed to help you master your money. What you'll learn: 1. Setting financial goals. Kagan helps you define what financial success means to you and how to set clear, actionable goals that align with your lifestyle. 2. Budgeting like a pro. If budgeting has ever felt like a challenge, you're in the right place. Kagan teaches you how to track your income and expenses, making sure you're always on top of your finances. 3. Debt management. Debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can take control. Kagan outlines a step-by-step approach to paying off debt faster and smarter, so you can free up cash for more important things. 4. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected twists, but with a solid emergency fund, you can face the unexpected with confidence. We'll show you how to set aside money for those rainy days. 5. Investing basics. Kagan demystifies investing and shows you how to make your money work for you. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to fine-tune your investment strategy, you'll find valuable tips to grow your wealth over time. 6. Planning for the future. From retirement planning to saving for major life events, we'll cover how to plan for the long term and set yourself up for financial success, no matter what stage of life you're in. In this video, we'll break down the most important lessons from Financial Planning 101, share actionable tips you can start implementing today, and discuss how these steps can help you achieve financial independence. If you're tired of feeling stressed about your finances and want a clear, straightforward plan to take control, this video is for you. Plus, we'll share real-world examples of how these concepts work in everyday life, making sure you understand how to apply them to your own situation. At the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge you need to create your own personalized financial plan. So, if you're serious about turning your financial dreams into reality, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on more practical tips to manage and grow your wealth. Don't wait, your journey to financial freedom starts now.